Imagine the last meal you had. Was it filled with nutrients, or was it just another meal to get through the day? These are questions we often neglect to ask ourselves, but ones that hold significant weight. We are what we eat, after all. Every morsel we consume is not just a source of energy but a building block for our bodies, our health, our well-being. Now let's take a moment to ponder. Are we truly nourishing our bodies with the food we eat? Are we giving it the right fuel to thrive, or are we simply surviving, getting by? Are we paying attention to the quality of our meals, or are we solely focused on the quantity? These questions are worth considering, particularly if we want to live healthier, fuller lives. The food we consume has a direct impact on our health, and it's essential that we recognize this connection. If you're seeking a healthier lifestyle, you might want to consider a plant-based diet. A plant-based diet might sound complicated, but it's really quite simple. At its core, it's all about embracing foods derived from plants. We're talking fruits, vegetables, legumes, seeds, and whole grains. It's a symphony of colors, textures, and flavors on your plate, all coming from the earth. But what about animal products, you ask? Well, a plant-based diet doesn't necessarily mean you have to be strictly vegetarian or vegan. While it does emphasize minimizing animal products, it doesn't strictly forbid them. It's all about balance, and making plant foods the star of your meals. Now don't think of it as a restrictive diet, but rather an inclusive lifestyle. You're not taking away, you're adding more variety, more nutrients, and more vitality. Switching to a plant-based diet can offer a wealth of health benefits. But we'll delve deeper into that in the next scene. Stay tuned. One of the main benefits of a plant-based diet is that it's rich in nutrients. A bounty of life-sustaining elements is wrapped up in the colorful packages we know as fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and nuts. These are not just food, they're fuel, and they're packed with the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies need to function at their very best. Consider this. Our bodies are like complex machines, each with a unique set of requirements. Just as a car needs petrol, oil, and water to run smoothly, our bodies need a wide range of nutrients to operate efficiently. These nutrients are the fundamental building blocks of health, helping our bodies to grow, repair, and thrive. Now let's talk about vitamins. They are essential compounds that our bodies need in small amounts to function correctly. And guess where we find a wealth of them? That's right, in plant-based foods. Vitamins like A, C, E, and K, and the B-complex vitamins, all of which play critical roles in our body's functions, from supporting our immune system to aiding in energy production. Minerals too are abundant in a plant-based diet. Think of minerals like calcium for bone health, potassium for nerve function, and magnesium for muscle function, just to name a few. They're the unsung heroes of our health, working quietly in the background to keep our bodies running smoothly. And let's not forget about antioxidants. These powerful compounds help to protect our cells from damage. Berries, spinach, nuts, whole grains, they're all teeming with antioxidants, ready to wage war against those harmful free radicals. But it's not just about the individual nutrients, it's about the synergy of these nutrients working together in whole foods. It's about the fiber in whole grains that helps control our blood sugar levels, the protein in legumes that supports muscle growth, and the healthy fats in nuts and seeds that promote heart health. A diet rich in plant-based foods can help ensure your body gets the nutrients it needs. So, why not give your body the fuel it deserves? Go plant-based and let your health bloom. Plant-based diets aren't just about nutrition, they're also about disease prevention. And that's not a statement to be taken lightly. In our day and age, chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer are making headlines and taking lives, but the good news is, the power to prevent these conditions might be on our plates, quite literally. Consider heart disease. It's a leading cause of death worldwide, but studies show that a plant-based diet can help keep your heart healthy. How so? Well, plant-based foods are typically low in saturated fats and high in fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels. They also contain antioxidants that can protect against cell damage, and essential nutrients that our hearts need to function at their best. Now let's talk about diabetes. This condition affects countless individuals, causing a multitude of health complications. But research suggests that a plant-based diet can significantly reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Foods high in fiber like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Cancer is another major concern for many, but once again, a plant-based diet comes to the rescue. Numerous studies have found associations between plant-based diets and a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. The antioxidants and phytochemicals found in plant-based foods can help protect our cells from damage that could lead to cancer. But remember, switching to a plant-based diet is not a magic bullet. It's a lifestyle change. It's about making healthier choices consistently. It's about embracing a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts and seeds, and minimizing processed foods. It's about nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive and protect itself. And let's not forget, it's not just about the food. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management are also vital components of a healthy lifestyle that can further enhance disease prevention. By choosing a plant-based diet, you're not just feeding your body, you're protecting it. Struggling with weight management? A plant-based diet might be the solution. It's not about quick fixes or fad diets, but rather, it's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that can last a lifetime. And a plant-based diet might be the golden ticket you've been searching for. You see, a plant-based diet is naturally high in fiber. Now, why is that important? Well, fiber is the unsung hero when it comes to weight management. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied, which helps to curb overeating and unnecessary snacking. Think of it as nature's appetite suppressant. And the great thing about plants? They're packed with it. From fruits and vegetables to whole grains and legumes, you'll find fiber in abundance. But that's not all. A plant-based diet is also generally lower in fat, especially the harmful saturated and trans fats that are commonly found in animal products. These fats not only contribute to weight gain but also to a host of other health problems. By swapping out these fatty foods for plant-based alternatives, you're not only doing your waistline a favor, but your overall health too. Moreover, a plant-based diet is rich in nutrients but low in calories. This means that you can eat larger volumes of food without packing on the pounds. Imagine filling up your plate with a rainbow of fruits, veggies, and whole grains, and still being able to maintain a healthy weight. Sounds pretty good, right? But remember, while a plant-based diet can be a powerful tool for weight management, it's not a magic bullet. It should be paired with regular physical activity and other healthy lifestyle choices for the best results. So, if you're tired of the weight loss roller coaster and are looking for a sustainable way to manage your weight, why not give a plant-based diet a try? It's not only good for your waistline but also your overall well-being. A plant-based diet can help you maintain a healthy weight and lead a balanced lifestyle. So, are you ready to take the leap towards a healthier lifestyle? We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's take a brief moment to recap what we've learned. We started by asking ourselves some critical questions about our current diets. Then we explored the concept of a plant-based diet, which is a diet centered on whole, unprocessed, or minimally processed plants. It's about consuming vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, seeds, and nuts, and saying goodbye to refined foods like added sugars, white flour, and processed oils. We dove into the nutrient-rich aspect of a plant-based diet, highlighting how these diets are loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies need to function optimally. We also touched on how a plant-based diet can help prevent various diseases. Many studies have shown that plant-based diets can reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. We also discussed the role of a plant-based diet in weight management. It's not about counting calories, but rather focusing on the quality of the food you eat. A plant-based diet can help you maintain a healthy weight without feeling deprived or hungry. But remember, it's not just about changing what's on your plate. It's about embracing a healthier lifestyle overall. It's about making conscious choices, being physically active, and taking care of your mental health. We hope you found this information helpful and feel inspired to give a plant-based diet a try. If you're looking for more insights on healthy living, consider subscribing to our channel. We're dedicated to providing you with the most up-to-date, scientifically backed information to help you live your healthiest life possible. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. Subscribe for more insights on healthy living. The content of this video is for informational purposes only, and is not intended to be used as a substitute for professional medical diagnosis, advice, or treatment.